Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
No, it's not a silencer. This little doodad is my own invention. I call it a loudener.
A loud?
Now, your stereotypical donut is nothing but dough and sugar fried in fat, am I right?
Right.
Now, that fat gums up your arteries and goes to your brain, and you turn liberal. And the next thing you know, Barry Manilow's on the turntable, and you're not going to work, and you're voting for gun control. You see what I'm saying? You see that connection? Now, I may not read a criminal his rights, but at least I know how to read.
Yeah? What's your favorite book?
War and Peace. The first half.
The reason we're here, Inspector Hammer, is to invite you to join a clandestine group whose members share the singular purpose of righting wrongs through force and aggression.
Oh, I'm already a registered Republican.
What do you think about the death penalty?
It's too lenient. There's always the possibility of reincarnation.
We're surrounded by hundreds of bloodthirsty Satan worshippers.
See what happens when you allow freedom of worship? The Bill of Rights. It stinks. Target practice.
What is that?
It's a target. It's what, you never saw a target before?
Oh, in Russia, we practice by shooting at dissidents.
Well, here we call them liberals. I'm an American. I don't negotiate with terrorists. If we hang tough, we'll survive.
Attitudes like yours will bring about the apocalypse.
Hammer, you can't defuse that bomb.
Trust me. I know what I'm doing.